channel, Cooking with Eva Blind. Hello Philippines, hello world. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Alright, today we're making a snacks. A snacks that I would say it's healthy. Masarap po to. Naku, gustong-gusto natin to lahat. And I hope you will like it. And share it to your family and friends. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, umpisahan na po natin magluto ng peanuts. Mani po ang gagawin natin ngayon. We're going to make a peanuts with my recipe. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Okay, here's our ingredients. 1 head of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1 tablespoon of iodized salt. And the peanuts, of course, it's only 12 ounce. Okay, that's all we need, 12 ounce. Alright, let's get started. Okay. I have frying pan here. It's already preheat. So I will pour the oil. Next, garlic. Well, let's wait first when it's the oil hot. I think it's ready. Not quite, but it's okay. Okay. Let's put in the medium, the temperature of the fire or the stove. And we need to make this brown so that it will give flavor to our peanuts. Open this one first. We need to bring this into brown color, okay? Okay, now it's brown. Let's put the peanuts. We need to keep stirring this so that it won't be burned, okay? Okay, now the black pepper. A little bit left. Next is salt. I can smell the flavor, the salt and the black pepper. The black pepper, oh my gosh, and the garlic. Oh gosh, good combination. Smells so good. It's almost done. Let's wait like 10 minutes, okay? Always keep stirring on it, okay? Because so that won't be burned. I know, that's the only thing that, you know, nakakapagod maghalo. But it will come out really good though. I did 10 minutes. The 10 minutes is almost over. But it's not quite done. So we have to add another like 5 minutes, okay? Okay, 10 minutes is over, so we have to add 5 minutes again, okay? Okay, another 5 minutes. So that's total of, I would say 20 minutes, because we start stirring earlier before we put the timer. It's almost done. Just be patient, because if you want to come out perfect, so we have to do this, keep stirring all the time, mix it well, so that it will cook, because if we don't stir it, it's gonna be burned, and it doesn't taste good. Oh, it's bitter. Oh man. It's almost done. It's 27 or 22 seconds, sorry. It's almost done. Woo! Smell good. This is the perfect peanuts that I ever made. Two, one. Yay! It's finally done. Turn it up. Alright. Now we will transfer this into the plates so that we can see what's gonna be looks. Alright. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let's try to taste it, okay? First thing we need to do is let me show. This is so easy. Look at the shell or the skin. See, this is not shell, by the way. The skin. Okay, so it's so easy. Come out so easy and quick. Ow, it's hot. Okay, and let me try to eat it. See that? So crunchy. That's what I said. It's really good when you make it than to buy in the store. Okay? And it's really fresh. Alright. Hello. Ito na po yung ginawa nating mani. Here's our finished product that we made. And fresh, we bought our raw peanuts and then we just cook it. See, it's nice if you make it than to buy in the store, because this way it's really fresh. The secret to make peanuts is to put a lot of garlic and black pepper, of course, that gives flavor. And also, don't forget the salt. And then, all you have to do is to keep stirring on it until it cooks. That's the only thing. It takes time to cook it, but that's so that, you know, it comes out perfect. So we have to be patient, right? Keep stirring and stirring. Anyway, it's worth it to do that. All right. I hope you enjoy my videos. And once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friends and loved ones, okay? All right, that's it for now. Until next time on my next video. Okay. Once again, have a wonderful weekend. God bless you all. Bye Philippines. Bye world. Thank you, thank you, thank you.